and welcome back to my channel, my gorgeous fam. So as Valentine's Day is near around the corner, so ladies, gear up. I have come up with a very amazing tutorial for Valentine's Day makeup look. It's a very soft look, so which you can achieve easily, like you can recreate it very easily and using very affordable products. So let's get started. So I have already prepped my skin using a gel moisturizer. So next up I'm going to use the Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Gold Mine for that inner glow. You should be glowing that day. So now I have blended the liquid highlighter in my skin. I'm going to use the foundation. For foundation, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. So can you guys see the glow on my face after using the liquid highlighter? Like it's giving a very healthy looking skin. So next up for my brows, I'm going to fill in it with a brown and a black shade from any eyeshadow palette you can do it. So I'm just going to brush it. So now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer to just conceal my eyes and all the dark areas, and also to correct my eyebrows. So next up for the eyeshadow, I have just put two sellotaps on both the sides just for precision of my eyeshadow, because I want it to look very soft and sharp. So I'm gonna use a banana powder to set my eyelids. So first up, I'm gonna take a light brown shade and just blend it into my crease. Just gonna take this shade from the Wet n Wild palette. Don't forget to blend, like blending is the key for beautiful makeup. Next up, I'm just gonna take a slightly darker brown color and I'm just gonna blend it into my crease or just below the crease. So now I'm gonna take a blending brush and I'm just gonna blend it everything into place. So now you can see there's a slight sunset effect on my eyes. So now I'm gonna take a eyeliner and do a wing liner. So now I'm just gonna conceal my under eye. up, for my lower lash line, I'm going to use the same dark brown shade from the palette. So now I'm going to contour my face using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. I'm going to use this shade over here. So next up for highlighter, I'm going to use the Revolution Vivid highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. Now for lipstick, I'm going to use a brown shade to just complement my eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt liquid lip color in the shade Caramel Crushed. Now I'm going to create an ombre on my lips using the Revolution Pro lipstick in the shade Bare Whispers. For that long-lasting makeup, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus Natural Seal the Deal makeup setting spray. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. It's a very easy and classy look. You can carry it anywhere you want to go, not only for Valentine's. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching me.